More than 25 million adult Kenyans are yet to receive any COVID-19 vaccination jab, 5 months since the national inoculation program was unveiled. Now, 10 counties have to date recorded less than 1% of their adult population fully vaccinated. This, as the government maintains that it targets to fully vaccinate at least 10 million people by December this year, at a time access to the vaccines remains a mystery to many. Let's get more from our very own Sam Gituku.
The latest consignment of 407,000 AstraZeneca vaccine doses reached the country Tuesday night, adding to the country's stock to reach 2.7 million doses that have been received since March this year. Of these, 2.15 million doses have been administered as first and second doses. The latest figures show that in stock, only 575,000 doses remain. And as the country awaits more supplies in the coming weeks, a look at the statistics show that out of the targeted adult population of 27.2 million, a total of 1.4 million have received the first dose. 760,000 of this have been fully vaccinated, having also received the second dose of AstraZeneca. 25.8 million are yet to get any vaccine.
We are confident that more vaccines are coming in the pipeline and we should be able to reach more people, ensuring protection of a larger proportion of our population.
The government has 4 priority groups for vaccination, healthcare workers being at the front line. Since the pandemic hit the country, over 6,800 healthcare workers have contracted the disease, some in the line of duty. 46 have died. Over 208,000 healthcare workers are on the government's priority list for vaccination. A record 61% are now fully vaccinated at 128,000. Over 90% have taken the first dose, as only 20,000 are yet to access any vaccine. Over 330,000 teachers across the country are targeted for the jab. Theirs has been a slow absorption, as only 34% are fully vaccinated, being 113,000 teachers. But a total of 191,000 have received the first dose. The remaining 138,000 have had no access to the jab. The Teacher Service Commission has set a deadline of Monday next week for all teachers to get the jab or face disciplinary action. The Ministry of Health seeking to distinguish between vaccine hesitancy and vaccine shortage.
I want to demystify the belief that there's vaccine hesitancy. You cannot equate lack of vaccines in the market to vaccine hesitancy.
The Ministry of Health hopes to vaccinate the elderly population in the country, 2.59 million targeted. But as things stand, only 9% have been fully vaccinated, being 232,000. Nearly 361,000 persons over 58 years of age have received at least one dose, leaving 2.2 million elderly Kenyans yet to access any jab, despite their compromised immunity. And as the vaccine distribution gets a boost with the new stock, majority of the counties have reported dismal performance. Nairobi City County leads in the absorption rates, where 251,000 persons have so far been fully vaccinated. Nakuru County has vaccinated over 49,000, followed by Kiambu County with 40,800 residents fully vaccinated. Other top counties are Uasin Gishu, Nyeri and Mombasa. Tana River and Lamu counties have the lowest figures of persons fully vaccinated, the numbers at 658 and 659 respectively. Marsabit County follows at 683, while Wajir has only 1,555 fully vaccinated. The low number, though, could be an effect of low supplies or hesitancy. According to the Ministry of Health, vaccines distribution to the counties is informed by, among other things, the adult population in an area, the county capacity, meaning the number of health facilities that can offer vaccination services, and the continuous performance by a county in clearing its stock. In the latest statistics, 1,506 persons have tested positive out of 9,840 samples, a positivity rate of 15.3%. So far, 224,000 infections have been reported, with the death toll now at 4,378. Of those still nursing the virus, 8,408 are receiving home-based care, 2,054 are in hospital, 161 are admitted at various ICU facilities, of whom 86 are on ventilator support. 60 patients are on supplemental oxygen in high dependency units, while another 723 are receiving supplemental oxygen in general wards. A total of 944 patients are on oxygen at various degrees. Sam Gituku, Citizen TV.